Here some question are given. Question is that cube root x plus 244 minus cube root x minus 244 is equal to 2. What is the value of x? How to find the value of x? Let's start solution. First of all, see here, this is, we assume that this is A, this is B. Let's start. A is equal to cube root x plus 244. Second, B is equal to cube root x minus 244. See here, cube root A is equal to cube root x plus 244. B is equal to cube root x minus 244. We remove cube root, then we apply cube. A cube is equal to x plus 244. This is equation number 1. B cube is equal to x minus 244. Equation number 2. After that, see here, A minus B is equal to 2. This is equation number 3. After next step, equation 1 minus equation 2. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So A cube minus B cube is equal to how much? X plus 244 minus x minus 244. After next steps here, A cube minus B cube is equal to how much? X plus 244 minus x minus plus 244. X cancel, left it. A cube minus B cube is equal to 488. After next step, see here, A cube minus B cube. We know that A cube minus B cube formula, A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, bracket close, is equal to 488. After next step, see here, A minus B. In this step, we will be added that A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is A plus B, A minus B whole square formula. So we will be apply here. See here, minus 2AB plus 2AB. Both are cancelled, left it this. After plus AB bracket close is equal to 488. After next step, see here, A minus B into, see here, A square plus B square minus 2AB bracket close. After left it, see here, 2AB plus AB means that plus 3AB bracket close is equal to 488. After next step, see here, after next step, A minus B bracket open close. See here, this is A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square formula, this is. After left it, plus 3AB is equal to 488. From equation, this is A minus B from equation number 3. From equation number 3, we know that A minus B is equal to 2. So put this value in this place. A minus B 2, A minus B 2 square plus 3AB bracket close is equal to 488. See here, both side divided by 2. Both side divided by 2. Here, 2 into 2 square plus 3AB bracket close is equal to 488 divided by 2. divided by 2, 2 cancel, 244. After left it, 2 square means 4 plus 3ab is equal to 244. After see here, 3ab is equal to 4 comes this side, 244 minus 4. 3ab is equal to 240. 240. Both side divided by 3. Both side divided by 3. See here, 3ab divided by 3 is equal to 240 divided by 3. 3 cancel, c cancel, this is 80. See here, b here, ab is equal to how much? 80. ab is equal to 80. After that, both side divided by a. ab divided by a is equal to 80 divided by a cancel, b is equal to 80 divided by a. b value 80 divided by a. Recall that equation number 3 telling that a minus b is equal to 2. a minus b is equal to 2. So in place of b, put this value. A minus 80 divided by a is equal to 2. See here, taking LCM, a is equal to a square minus 80 is equal to 2. Therefore, a square minus 80 is equal to 2a. This comes this side, a square minus 2a minus 80 is equal to 0. Use quadratic equation. See here, apply quadratic equation. A square minus 10a plus 80 plus 8a minus 80 is equal to 0. See here, taking common a minus 10 plus 8, a minus 10 bracket close is equal to 0. See here, a minus 10 bracket open close into a plus 8 is equal to 0. Here two equations are arise. First of all, a minus 10 is equal to 0. First equation. Second equation, a plus 8 is equal to 0. See here a value is equal to a is equal to 10. Here a is equal to minus 8. A is equal to minus 8. Recall that equation number 1. Recall that equation number 1 telling that AQ is equal to x plus 244. AQ is equal to x plus 244. So put the a value in both places. A value 10q is equal to x plus 244. X cube means 1000 is equal to x plus 244. This 244 come this side, 1000 minus 244 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 756. Here x value is 756. In next step, see here, in place of aq put the minus 8q is equal to x plus 244. This value is how much? Minus 512 is equal to x plus 244. This comes this side, minus 512, and this minus 244 is equal to x. Minus 756 is equal to x. Therefore x value is x is equal to minus 756 x value. Therefore x is equal to plus minus 756. this is the final value of x.